Hi guys, it's your girl Drea, and we're here doing another unboxing video. This is another cocktail Courier one. I think this would be like the October box because like it came at the very end of September. And the only thing I did was peek to see what kind of glasses to have on hand for this. And I brought my daughter Jessica. Hi. Hello. Jessica. She's like, I want to be in one of your videos, Mom. I said, I can't drink alone. That makes me an alcoholic. Okay. So, ooh, this is called Fruits of Labor by Tim Cooper. And it looks like it's going to be, okay, so let's just unbox. So first we got some ground cinnamon.
Nice.
Some tequila. Is there anything? It's enough to make. It's everything to make the thing. The whatever. What is that? What is that?
I just pull the whole box out.
Yeah, but they're bottles. They're gonna fall out. And then there's stuff over here.
Ooh.
There's lemons. We're gonna have to juice those real quick.
Looks like some cinnamon syrup.
Okay, we'll need that on the table. Another, lemon.
Pear puree.
Well, let's see what's in here. Let's see. There's tequila, lemon juice, that's a lemon, cinnamon syrup. Why does that sound familiar? Did I have it?
Cinnamon
Is that this?
syrup. That's a pear puree, and that's cinnamon.
And then the ground cinnamon. That should be everything out of the box.
Oh,
okay, good. I know that's gonna be. But I need those.
Something else in there?
I don't know. Set it over there.
Oh,
It's like Walmart. We are equal opportunity employer.
there we go.
Okay, great. All right, so this should be good. It's a tequila-based drink, and you like tequila. You were just drinking tequila. You were drinking it the other night like a sailor who just said, like, first time off the ship. Wasn't that you? So 2 ounces of tequila. And you guys are gonna have to like comment if I'm doing this wrong. This is an ounce, right? Oh hell! It's fine. One. So what's the base of the drink? There's nothing else? Are we not going to have any kind of water or anything?
Filling it with.
Jesus, we're just going to drink straight tequila with some syrup in it? And we're going to want to do that snack box next. I don't have a shaker. I know. I need to get a shaker. I'm hoping one of these boxes it'll just come. Okay, so we got our 2 glasses of tequila. It said to do it in an old-fashioned glass. This is an old-fashioned glass, right? Okay. Next, we need lemon juice. Okay. So 4.5 teaspoons of fresh squeezed lemon.
Ooh.
Oh my God.
So much work into making a drink.
This explains why we get the canned kind. We're trying to be bougie. 2, 3, 4 and a half. It's hard to balance out right there. It's twisting. Would you grab that out of my way? Thank you. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Did we turn on this record?
Yeah.
Oh shit! I was supposed to do 4 now. Okay, well, it's good. It's good. Fine. It's fine. Vitamin C. Okay, now I'm scared to put this down on anything here.
There you go.
All right, remove double freezer. Oh, we're not doing any of that. So cinnamon syrup. Okay, so what's a 1/2 ounce in teaspoons? Do you have your phone?
1/2 ounce in teaspoons.
I'm gonna say it's 2 teaspoons. Oh my God. I wonder if that's I'm gonna start with 2.
Ah,
Oh no, that's syrupy. 1,
3 teaspoons.
2. Why is it? It
Whoa.
is really wanting to make a mess here. 3. Okay. All right. I hope you like cinnamon. This is the cinnamon one, right? 1, 2. How many? 3? It's 3,
3.
right?
Yeah. That's what Google said.
Okay. Well, I mean, you know what they say, if it's on the internet. Okay. All right, and then, will you put the cap on that?
Yeah.
Can't believe that burned my thing. And then, oh god, 3 of the pear syrup too. Okay, I need you to open that. I don't want to put this down because it's. Oh, you make it look easy. I struggled. 1.
Ooh.
Okay, 2. 3. You guys ready to watch? Watch what happens.
Just watching you do something.
I know. I'm so sorry. Oh, 5. 2. I really think we need like a towel or something over here. Don't be looking over there. That's my pile of clean clothes. Stop. Okay.
Oh my god, everything's so sticky.
It's love. Okay. So what's next? And then garnish it with some ground cinnamon. Ooh, ground fresh cinnamon. Well, no, I guess that's an oxymoron. That's not an oxymoron. What is that called? It's not fresh if it's ground.
True.
Oh, girl. Oh, here's a dry spoon. Okay.
Huh.
Just
A smidgen.
a dash. A dash will do ya. Okay. So let's show the picture of how pretty. Okay.
How it looks.
Did I put tequila in mine?
Did
Okay,
you
look
put
at right
I
there.
don't think you put tequila in any of them.
Oh, do you want you more? Look at how pretty that is.
Oh, you did tequila and didn't. Never mind.
I feel like that powdery cinnamon it's not dissolving. It's like sticking to the top. It's gonna like. Okay, so ready for the big reveal? So should we have a toast? It's your turn to toast.
I'll have a toast.
No, that's rude. You can't just like be
Can't
like
think of
no.
anything.
Then say the prayer. So you want to say the blessing?
I don't have one.
I love you, you love me, we're a happy. Okay, that's not a blessing. That's a nursery rhyme. Lord, we are gathered here. Like, what's a good toast?
I don't know.
Oh, it's got tequila, so we can say salud. I'm gonna look it up from now on. Salud.
Salud.
Oh, God, I'm so good. Ooh. Your taste buds are still dead from the COVID, and my nose can't do anything anymore. I don't think I'm thrilled with the powdery stuff on top. Ooh. Oh, yeah, mine has
It
tequila
tastes
in
like
it.
a margarita with like dry powder at the end.
Yeah, what's that? But this I can deal with.
You like that better?
I mean, after this, I'll probably will try that. Is that good? It's got a little bit of a
So
to it. But I move my hands. Oh, look, I think I have a place for you in the freezer now that I drank all the vodka.
Very cool though.
Oh, bro.
Mm. It's pretty rough.
Would you order this in a bar?
Nope.
Yeah. I don't know. Come on, we got like gotta give it a good honest.
I am.
I know, but I'm cool with this one, so it's like I don't want to be drinking it by myself. Oh, look, this cinnamon, on the top. Do you need your stirred? I'm just gonna stir it, okay, honey?
Oh, I need it.
Everybody else hang out with their mom. She just cut your meat for you.
Thanks, Mom. Yes, that's exactly what I want in.
It's getting better. It's getting better. I feel it.
The cinnamon's starting to mix in a little bit. Just kidding.
I guess I stirred it.
Yeah, you sound like you like it.
You know, it's growing on me. It's growing on me. I can taste more of, what is that? The pear. I taste more of the pear.
Oh, I forgot there was pear in it.
No COVID. It's okay. This is okay. If I was going to order this in a bar, what is this called? Fruits of Labor, I would say, but no garnish, please.
Yeah, it just feels like a margarita. Really.
It's a good ass margarita, though. It's yummy. Yeah, okay. We can roll with that. You know what? Would you like to stay and do a snack unboxing video with me since we got drinks?
Sure.
We'll be right back. So fast. Can you push that up? Have a lovely day. Love you guys all. Be safe.